भुरकट दिसतं. म्हणजे मी कुठलाही काय बघायला गेली ना, तर मला भुरकट दिसतं. मला चेहरा दिसत नाही. चेहरा माणसाचा स्पष्ट दिसत नाही मला. कामाला तर जाऊ शकतच नाही ना मी. थोडासा अंधारा वगैरे येतो ना. त्याला असा त्रास होतो की माझ्या मिस्टरांना मी मुलाला बघू शकत नाही. ते डोळे झालं असतं तर मी या विचार करूनच घाबरून गेली असते.
मम्मा काय करतेस?
पहिलं मला काय बघायचं, माझे मिस्टर आणि मुलाचं असं काय मी बघू शकतच नाही. माझं जीवन असते दोघे.
The world is beautiful and everyone should have the opportunity to enjoy the beauty of it. My father was an orthopedic surgeon and he was in teaching for more than 30 years and he is my role model. I was very happy in my private practice, but when the COVID struck in, I realized that we live only once, so I should follow my passion towards teaching. It gives me fulfillment as a teacher, as a person, and I feel I am doing something for the humanity. Because at the end of it, I am going to have direct impact on the visual prognosis of the patients which my trainees operate. Help Me See is the organization which provides simulation-based training. When I first saw the simulator, I did not believe it. It actually gave me the exact tactile feel of the eye. Medical students can make as many mistakes as they want to on the simulator and try not to repeat the same mistakes when they are doing live surgery. Our mission is to treat blindness all over the world, and we are doing this by enhancing the surgical skills of the students whom we train with on the simulator. Tilt of short axis towards right? Yeah. Half cornea, half sclera. Wiggle. Perfect. Okay, now come in the center again. Go towards right. Most side. Of the blindness we see in the world is because of cataract. Cataract surgery is a microsurgical technique, so there is a high amount of learning curve. The ophthalmic surgeons take time to be proficient and good in their surgical skills. So if we train thousands of doctors on the simulator, they go out there and perform many live surgeries. It's going to reduce the load of cataract blindness backlog worldwide.
I got into medicine because I really wanted to help people. That was the foundation where I thought I'll get into ophthalmology.
ऑपरेशन है, ये निकाल के लेंस बिठाएंगे, ठीक है?
When you're just starting your surgical training, I think the most important thing is tissue handling and the instrument handling. So Help Me See gave me this opportunity to practice on the simulation way before I started it on an actual patient. The feel of the simulator and particularly the depth perception and the feedback mechanism of the simulator are very good. Like it almost feels like you are operating on a real patient.
आंटी अभी आपको ऑपरेशन के लिए लेंगे, ठीक है? टेंशन नहीं लेना है, सब आराम से हो जाएगा।
अभी आपका ऑपरेशन के बाद आप सबसे पहले किसको देखना चाहोगे आप पट्टी खुलने के बाद?
मेरा आदमी को
Vision is a very important part of anybody's life. So a little bit nervous, but I am confident as well because I have my skills and I have practiced enough.
There are many different technologies and innovations in medicine, and the data in medicine now is very important. Splunk, a Cisco company, provides us data which tells us if the software working fine, if the students, whatever they are doing, what kind of mistakes they are doing. Unless we have data for that, which Splunk collects for us, we cannot actually give our 100% as a teacher. The right data at the right time is invaluable. The data is the key to ensuring people are trained in the fastest way to assess the millions of people affected by cataract.
आंटी पट्टी निकाल रही हूँ, ठीक है? थोड़ा बाल में चिपका है, थोड़ा दुखेगा, आराम से निकालती हूँ. आंटी साफ कर रही हूँ, आँख बंद रखिएगा, ठीक है? खोलिएगा.
छान मस्त एकदम सुंदर आहे.
Whenever we open the eye patch of the patient, we see how happy they get and the independence which it gives to move around on their own. I think that is a big thing. I think without Help Me See, it would have taken me much longer to reach to my first independent surgeries.
The most powerful part of my work is seeing my students go on to restore vision, to change not just one life, but entire families and communities. Indirectly, I am helping someone's vision through them.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते. नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
तुम्ही मला बघू शकता
हो.
नीट. त्यांना तुम्ही बघू शकता
हो.
बरोबर ना. तुमचेच आहे ना.
मिस्टर कसे चेंज होतील?